Okay, beavers, okay, monkeys. For this activity, I wrote for you a to-do list of what are you going to do. So first thing you're going to do is listen to the story of Pearl Barley and Charlie Parsley. And then you're going to download the PDF and print. If you are not going to download and print, it's totally fine. You can get a piece of paper and divide it in half. Just a plain piece of paper and divide it in half. Your parents can help you in this part. And then in one part, I want you to draw Pearl. And then on the other part, on the other half, I want you to draw Charlie. If you printed the download, it's okay. It's already done for you. Then the last part, I want you to number 1, 2, 3, 4 on Pearl's side, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 on Charlie's side. And then I want you to tell me what is the difference between Pearl and Parsley. In the book, she is talkative. As for Charlie, he is shy. Pearl is loud, as Charlie is quiet. Also, they help each other. How do they help each other? How does Pearl help Charlie, and how does Charlie help Pearl? I am sure you're going to do a great job. I want you to be happy when you're doing the activity. And I'm super proud of you. Miss Minna's super proud of you. Miss Amira and Miss Reham. We all miss you very much. I hope you're safe. I hope you like the activity. I wish to see it when we meet in Zoom. Stay safe and healthy.